Are you a complete yoga beginner? Do you want to start or restart your yoga journey? Or do you simply want to enjoy some yoga? Then this 7-day yoga challenge is for you. My name is Marcel and I'm very excited to have you. Welcome into day 6. Today we reflect. We're starting right up with YTWA exercise. We're coming in into chair pose. This means we're shifting our hips to the back, our butt to the back, keeping our knees over your heels and extend your arms over the head. Get long from your hips to the fingers, breathing in deep. And we're coming to a Y pose. Bring your arms a little bit to the side. Breathing in deep, creating the letter Y with your arms, with your body. Finding the length from your hips to your head and maybe go a little bit deeper, keeping your knees over your heels. You're doing great. Keep it up. Breathing out, bring your arms by your sides. Come into a T pose, making the letter T right here, right now. Breathing in deep. And breathing out, we're coming to a W pose. Bring your arms behind your back, by your sides, and behind your back as far as you can. Breathing in deep. Stay down, you're doing awesome. And breathing out, bring your arms behind your back. Extend them, forming the letter A right now. Breathing in, good job. Keep it up. And slowly come up into a stand. How does that feel? How does the body feel today? Does your body feel today? And step forward with one leg in front of the mat. And shift the other leg to the back. We're getting long from the back leg to the hips, so really straighten from your back leg to your hips. Make sure your knee is over your heel. Bring your arms up into the sky and draw the feet together as much as you can, creating a pull. And breathing in deep, get long to the top of the fingers. How does that feel? Good job. Breathing out, releasing, stepping forward and changing the side right now. So other leg to the back. Drawing the feet together. Again, make sure your front knee is over the front heel, your back leg is straight. Bring your arms up into the sky and breathe in deep again. Finding the length to the top of the fingers. Breathing out and in again. And slowly out. Let's change the side again. Come forward again. Change the side in your time. Maybe go a little deeper. Maybe challenge yourself a little bit more. Or if it's difficult already, maybe go a little bit softer. Listen to your body. Listen to what feels good. Keeping your knees over your heels. Your back leg is straight. Bring your arms up into the sky. Feeling the length. Good. And one more time, changing the side in your time. Stepping forward and stepping back with your other leg. Drawing the feet together. Engage your butt cheeks a little. Get long from your butt to the top of your fingers. Keeping the front knee or the front heel. You're doing amazing. And then breathing out. Coming out of it, slowly, surely. We are now coming into Warrior 3. For that, you can either grab some blocks or some books, if you have them. Especially if you're a beginner and you can't hold Warrior 3 or don't know what that is, please do so. Otherwise, if you're already advanced, feel free to do it without, of course. Good. From here, we are coming a little bit to the front of the mat, so make sure you have enough space in front of you. We're now shifting all the way to your left leg, feeling how the big toe mount is connected to the floor. The heel outer edge of the feet, and the toes are connected to the floor. And shifting the weight through all these 4 points. Now stepping back again into Warrior 1. And with your books or blocks in hand or down on the floor, step forward and hold. Good job. Pressing your right leg into an imaginary wall, feeling the length from your right leg to your head. If you like, you can also extend your arms by your sides, but next to your ears, feeling the length from your bottom of the foot to the top of your fingers. Great job. Breathing in deep one time. And breathing out, coming out of it. Stepping forward and changing the side right away. Good. Shifting all the way to the right leg, stepping back. And whenever you're ready, come forward and fly again. Good job. Pushing your left leg into an imaginary wall behind you, feeling the length from your left head to the top of your head. You're doing great. And either hold on your books or on your blocks, or just bring your arms by your sides up. If you like to try, if you fall out of it, always laugh about it. You're doing great. And release, coming out of it again. Awesome job. Stand up tall. We're doing one of my favorite exercises right now. We're coming into wet towel exercise. So we're engaging the knees, engaging the thighs. Release your arms by your sides. Your arms are wet towels. And from our belly button, we turn to the left and then to the right. Good job. Starting to find a rhythm here. Releasing all the muscles in the arms and engaging the knees and your thighs, only moving from the belly button. Great job. Your head can look to the right and to the left, or it can also look straight forward if you wish to do that like that. Good job. Do your variation, either looking forward or to the right and to the left. And finding a great rhythm, smashing your wrists into your body. Good job. And this releases a lot of tension in your shoulders, in your whole spine, in the wrists, in your lower back. Great. This is especially a great position for all the people that are sitting a lot in front of the computer. Good. And slowly releasing, not stopping. Maybe feeling the impulses in your body going left and right here, right now. If you can feel it, awesome. If you don't feel it, don't worry. If you can feel it, this is where the center of your body lies. Good job. And we're coming into the next exercise. We're coming to the front of your mat and we're sitting down, rolling maybe to the back if you wish. And then we're bringing the left leg up and we're grabbing around your thigh and pulling it in. Extending your thigh from your hips to the toes and pulling it in. That's all what we do here. Breathing in deep. As you're breathing out, pull in a little bit. Then release down. Bring your other leg up. Doing the same here. Breathing in deep. As you're breathing out, maybe pull in a little bit more. If you do this exercise for the first time, don't overdo it. Just feeling good in your body. Great job. Whenever you're ready, release your leg slowly to the floor. Then we're going to extend our legs. Bring your arms by your sides, palms are pointing up. Bring your chin a little bit to your chest. Close your eyes and just be. Nothing to do here. This is Savasana. We're coming back out of the yoga lesson. We're releasing the yoga lesson and coming back to our life. Right now, just be. And from here, start to move your fingers, start to move your toes. Breathing in deeper, and whenever you're ready, shift yourself to the side and shift yourself up into a sitting position. Great job, everybody. You just finished day 6. We only have one more day to go, and I'm going to tell you, next day will be amazing. There's something special in store for you. Going to surprise you. I hope you will enjoy it. And with that said, we see each other tomorrow. Have a good night of sleep. Have a good day, wherever you are, whatever time it is.